Hello and welcome to the Brick Creek. Today we have another set of the company Xinyu, or Happy Build, and this is the model number is YC22011, 1866 pieces, and it's a dozer. A dozer scale is 1:23, and it looks that the technique is complete underneath and most outside is system bricks. I got this set from Xinyu as a review set, so I didn't pay anything for this. I tried to have my own opinion about the set. So it looks a little bit weird because we are not familiar with Technic sets that looks like system meets Technic. It looks a little bit strange, but I'm sure when it's done, in real life it looks better. Okay, we have 2.4 gigahertz remote control. It has lights, and I open the package and we have a look inside. In the box are two smaller boxes and a sticker sheet. Well, let's open the smaller boxes. Wow, I'm totally stunned. This is box 1, and we already have, okay, here's the full Technic. We have 5 L motors, 5 of them in this small or small looking set. The RC, 2 accu boxes, and here with channel selection, and 2M, 7 motors in this small set. Wow. Okay, then building step 1 is 4 bags, and building step 2 is 4 bags, and we have 2 bags of the black pins, the 2 length, and the red 2 length axles. And yeah, okay, now I start building. What's inside box number 2, I show you when it's needed. Okay, I have to make a small look because I'm missing the instructions. In box 2 is the instructions, and 5 building steps, not 4. And this time I use the stickers because 7 motors in such a small space and set. Here you see this will be really proper full. And module 1 and 2, and okay, we obviously need here the stickers. Okay, it starts with a frame, that's nice. And at the end we should have this here. Okay. I'm really curious what Xinyu sent me here, and I hope it's an entertaining build. Step 1 is finished, and yes, what should I say? At the moment it looks a little bit weird because it's so small and long, and this here it looks strange. Okay, But I get used to it, and we will see when the tracks are on it and so on. It will look much better, I believe, or I'm sure. The quality, brilliant. The pins are a little bit easier. Perhaps Mold King or GoBricks changed a little bit on the molds from the 2 and the 3 length pins. They are a little bit easier. And yes, quality is awesome. I already assembled 2 of the L motors, you've seen that, and now here 2 of the boxes. And the instruction shows you very nice how to lay the cables. The cable management is very good with all the stickers and the tiles and so on. So it's very, very easy. And I'm sure everything will work smoothly here so far, because it isn't much. Mostly technic frames and some lift, some Technic beams, and a lot of system here already. And I believe it looks not so weird when the tracks are on it. So, but now it's a pretty good set, as I said, at the moment. And yes, the look of something always depends on the eye of the, you know what I mean. But construction-wise, it's nice, easy, and pretty solid at the moment. This here, now it's really good. Nicely done. Now building step 2 is finished. And it's great to assemble it. How it looks depends on each person. But it's so nice to assemble, so well structured, and everything fits really well together. It's easy to assemble. And what I like the most is that the instructions shows you perfectly cable management and everything. This is, with Lego, the best instructions of Technic I have ever used and seen from a Chinese supplier. It's really great. You always see what to do with the cables. You have plenty of room, nothing that falls apart because of the pressure of the cable management. So great. Okay, here we have the 2 M motors on one function. Yes, to rise and lower here the front shovel, and the L motors for each track, and the other 2 M motors here to lower and raise here this tool. And yeah, makes a lot of fun. And like I said, the instructions, man, great. Please, Mold King, do it the way Xinyu do it. You have both the same motor, engine, and with GoBricks you have the same supplier. So please use their software. It's a little bit better, how it looks. And with the cable management, it seems that it's more possible, because perhaps with Mold King it's a software problem, that they don't show you really the cable management, or laziness, sloppiness of the designer. We don't know. So after 5 building steps, our bulldozer is finished. And it's a lovely one. If you like it, always depends on your eye. But the set itself is a good set. Great quality, no problems at all. We have one and here another brick that has little markings of dust or something. You get it just a little squeezy, then it's done. And here on the shovel we have a little bit of pressure on the parts. They don't fit so together like the designer intended, but overall it's no problem. It's no problem. I think it's a good set. If you like what you see, if you like the design, then buy it. It's really entertaining and nice to build. But if the functions are working and everything else, you will see in the review. Okay, thank you for watching. I am Frank, your Brick Freak, and I catch you in the review. Bye.